What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss Shibaswap and how you at home can get started staking your Shib to earn rewards. Before we jump into the video, if you guys could subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, that would mean a lot. You'll be updated every time we post a new video. Before we get into Shiba, let's go look at the coin market cap for today. I did refresh this around 10 minutes ago, so I am excited to announce Shiba did break the top 15 in terms of market cap, and it's been bouncing back and forth with Litecoin. 10 minutes ago it was at 14, now it's at 15. So we are making progress. We were in the top 20 yesterday. As you can see, we are up 15% on the day, October 11th, 2021. For the week, we are up 137%, guys. So all you diamond hands out there, congratulations. Remember, none of this on my channel is financial advice. I suggest you do your own due diligence with these coins. And don't ever put in more than you're willing to lose. That's what I tell all my family and friends. So let's look at this coin. This number still throws me off. 394 trillion coins in circulation for Shib. Let's hope that number goes down with the burn rate. We'll see. Before we get on to Shibaswap, let's check out the petition to list Shiba Inu coin on Robinhood. Over 230,000 people have now signed the petition. I believe yesterday it was somewhere around 224,000. As you can see, that number is going up live as we speak. So let's get right on to Shibaswap. So how do you bury your coins on this platform? It's quite simple. It's quite user-friendly. We'll get into it. First, you need to have either a MetaMask wallet, Wallet Connect, or Coinbase wallet. Now, you might hear Coinbase wallet and think, okay, I have Coinbase. That's the same thing. It's not. Coinbase wallet is a completely separate app, which you will need to download. However, you can transfer your coins from Coinbase directly to the Coinbase wallet once you have that downloaded. In my opinion, it's pretty user-friendly. That's the wallet I use along with, I actually use all three of these wallets. So it's pretty user-friendly. Once you have your Shib inside of your wallet and you have your wallet connected, that's when you can go to bury, which is the Shiba dialect for staking your coins to earn rewards. So you will hit stake or bury Shib. Now right here, your tokens that's connected to the specific wallet will show how many Shib you have, and it'll show the current dollar value at the moment. So say you want to stake 50% of whatever's in your wallet, you would hit 50, you would go down, hit approve, and I believe you would also have to approve on your specific wallet. So if I'm using Coinbase wallet, I would go on the Coinbase wallet app. They would ask me to approve this transaction. I would hit approve, pay the gas fee, and then my coins will be buried or staked. So one thing I want to mention is, in order to stake your Shib, you do need to have Ethereum in your wallet. So for Coinbase wallet, you have to have Ethereum in there. If you're using MetaMask, you would have to have Ethereum in there. Now, not a lot of Ethereum, however, it is just for the gas fee, which is the same basically as a transaction fee. So I've seen it anywhere from $5 to, more recently, they've gone up to $30. So make sure you have a significant amount of ETH in your wallet in order to bury your Shib. Once you do that, like I said, you choose the amount, hit approve, where then It might take 5 or 10 minutes depending on the blockchain, but then your buried Shib should show up on the platform, and you can see mine right here. I have not yet earned my Wolfable Bone, which is the reward for staking Shib. I will let you all know when that hits my account. I will make another video, let you guys know how much I earned. I believe today is the 7th day, which it does take around a week or so. So we'll see today or tomorrow if it hits and how much I did earn. So that's basically how you stake your Shib on the platform. Now, a quick note I do want to make. The first time I tried staking my Shib, I was freaking out. I paid the Ethereum gas fee, but my Shib never showed up onto Shibaswap. It was a couple $100. I was pretty upset, scrolling all over through Reddit pages, YouTube videos, and finally I kept reading over and over that you do have to pay the gas fee 2 times. So my Shib didn't go anywhere. It was still in my Coinbase wallet. However, I believe the first gas fee that I paid with Ethereum was just to connect my wallet to the platform. So I did have to go on here, try again, and the second time it did work. Now that was only for the first time you're setting up your Shib. If I were to bury more Shib right now, I would not obviously have to go through that process again. However, I would still need Ethereum in my wallet as well as the Shib that I'm trying to stake. So once you stake your Shib in your wallet, you should get what's known as X Shib. Another thing I want to note is you can unstake your coins at any time, which is really cool. It's not held up. If you want to pull it out, you're more than welcome to do so. So that's it with Shibaswap, how to stake, how to bury your coins, and how to earn rewards. Now, please remember, none of this is financial advice. Do your own due diligence with these coins. Do not spend more than you are willing to lose, because at the end of the day, it is essentially a gamble. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.